What if I told you doctors can build a medical app in just 60 minutes? No coding, no paid tools, no tech background. At AMS, I showed doctors how to turn simple Excel sheets into a working medical app using Glide's free plan, patient updates, medical histories, department workflows, one framework, multiple medical use cases. If you work in healthcare, this might change how you work. Full video is live. Let's build.
So this is our version one of our app. So we have created a family tree app for medical reports. So here you can see I in this app I have five family members, and I can record the consultation, lab report, or any kind of a files on for my family members, and I can feed them in my database. So you can see currently I have these many documents: one, two, three, four, five, six documents for myself, and one for my sister, two for my wife, and one for my son. So all these things I am populating, all this data I am populating through my front-end app. This is my app. So let's say I want to input the data from my mom. So I can just go over here this app, and I will be clicking on the plus sign. And let's say I want to uh, input the documents for 19th of November. So I will just select that from calendar. I will write the name of hospital. Let name it as ABC 10 hospital. Let's say I want to upload report. So let's say uploading lab report. So it was fine. Written some notes over here, and here let's say this is the report. I just attached it, and I will submit it. Currently, you can see here in database, I don't have any report linked to my mom, but after this uh, submit button, you will see the record there. Once I will submit it, you will see the record is stored here. So this is my other table. Here is my entry, like the whole data is there. I can see the images currently in my current solution in the table itself. Uh, so this is my solution. So here we have a screen like member detail screen, and in here I had submitted a document for this date 19th. So you can see that in a calendar. Here I have also one more feature, like if I just want to filter out for mom, I can just see my mom documents I have submitted on 19th of November at this time, and this was the lab report, right? So all these things I can just check, and currently the app, so if I open it, it will not show me the document. It will be just showing me the a small, very small icon for the report if I want to edit. But to see the full size photo, I have to go to the database and have to click it over here for report. But yeah, in this is our version 1, and in this version we have these feature only, and in version 2 we will be enhancing it further for more practical use. So this is our home screen. It has two screens. Home screen, within home screen we get the form. Here you can see it automatically fills the name of a person for whom we have selected the card. I have selected the card for my son, so it will be showing me the name as a member for son. Okay. This is the one functionality that we have enabled, and the another, this calendar, we have integrated the calendar as well, and we have only these two screens. The form and all things can take place, and the form filling can take place. Let's say if I want to add one new member, like say my neighbor, so I can write the details of her here, and let's say member X, and let's say the pic of that member is very, let's say this is the pic of that member. Age is 20. Let's say we don't know the blood group, so we can have another member here. And if I want to enter data for member X. So I can put the data for member X as well here. Let's say I want to record it for 16th of November. So I can choose this. I record it, let's say at this time. So I have choose that time. After that, let's say the new account is same 11 and type is, let's say, consultation. And let's say uh, uh, follow required on X date, and let's say report is this. I will submit it, and you can see now in here at database I got member X, the photo is this, and the report is this. This is the details I have for the member X, and you can also check it here as well. In November 16th I had for member X, so you can see this app automatically uh, got the filter for member X as well, and I can see for 16th of November I had consultation and notes I can see over there. Hello. So today we will be discussing about like how to create a family health app using Glide. So for that, I have taken out this step from Gemini, and after taking out these steps from Gemini, I have just pasted it over my Google Doc that you can see on my right. So I have extracted this content from a Gemini, and here I performed just my first step and uh, and attach the screenshot of the same. But now I am starting fresh, so I'm creating a new app, and I'm taking it as a blank template, and I will create an app out of it. Here you can see uh, I have if I make this expand, so you can see that I have a backend, like whatever data I want for my app, I can keep it here. There are many options here, like either I can create my own data from scratch here in a blank table tab, or what I can do is before coming to this app, I can create my data on Google Sheets, and from there I can upload my data. So there are these few things that we can do, and this is my free plan. I am using my free Glide account, so you can see it over here. And so my goal is uh, family history app. Let's name it at P2 draft 2, and here I will be creating a first thing would be if I follow the instructions that they have given me. So before jumping to that, I want to give you a overview of this app. So here you can see we have an agent option. Like instead of creating an app manually, what we can do is we can just write it. Actually, I have just exhausted my credits, so it is asking me to upgrade. But initially, here I was having a GUI where it was something like ChatGPT there, where I can tell the agent that create a family app for me, have so and so screen, have so and so data and all. So I can just explain my uh, design here, and they will create it for me. But I just realized that thing was not reliable because the model that they have currently in 2025 December, it's like they are using their experimental model, and it's not that reliable. So the best approach till today, I think it's like we can ask for the steps from Gemini and then follow the steps manually here to create our desired app. So this is this agent, and then we have a data. Like the data is like it is a core of our app. This will be a core of our app because it's a no code platform where you can create an app without doing any coding. But the I would say the painful part for you, if you because we are escaping the coding here, would be like creating a columns here. Like in columns itself, you can see there are so many things. Like you can have a column of these type text, number, boolean, all these things. And in computed, you have that all the coding stuff that we have in coding, we can have it here. Like if then else. query, relation, lookup, rollup. There are so many things here if you can see. So I would say we are like replacing the coding here with these operations of column that they have provided to us. And but in our project, I hope we just because I've just started a chat and I will be following the steps that they have provided to us. And in our step, we will be just using relation relation type, and another would be a lookup type. We will be using this lookup. We will be using. So there are other things, other types of columns as well, like that they will be giving their paid plan, but we are on free, so we can't use these things. And another is like integration parts, like we can use these integrations as well with our app to to be to make it more user friendly. So these are the like a walkthrough for data which we can see a backend of our app. This backend, as well as I would say a logic, is also designed here. Then comes the front end of our app. So in front end, what you can see, like we have our screen, like whatever data we have at our backend, we know we have to represent that data uh, here on our app, like on different screens. So the screens can be described here in the navigation tab. You can just create your home screen. You can create your like member screen. Like we will be creating a family members page here, like in a UI where we will be having a card for like uh, like mother, son, child, and all. So we can have those cards over here in our member navigation tab. But I'm just telling you out of what steps we got it from model. And another thing that we will be having here is like there would be a member detail screen as well. So all these screens will be on our app, and we will be adding it from here. And then there comes the menu, like how the buttons, like if I want to have here some button or stuff, so I can get it from this left side. And how to what actions to perform on clicking each button, uh, we can just set the properties on from the right side of this UI. So this is the one thing that we will be using. We will be just using these three tabs for our application, and there are other tabs as well, but they will be of use for us, so we will not be discussing that. So only these three things we have to be aware of. And now come back to the data part, and we will be designing two tables as they have tell us like they have suggested us here. Like they have said that we need two tables. One would be the family member table, and another would be the medical record table. So first table I will be creating again for you, and as for the simplicity, I will be taking a blank table, but you can also import it from your Google Sheet as well. But when you are creating an app, I suggest create it from blank table only. That would be more convenient, like for my case uh, here. But it's on you, like whatever options you want to choose. So the first column would be the name, and we have to make sure that its type should be text. Yes, it's text, so we are good with it. Then comes the another column we want is the photo, and we want to have its type as image. Let's see the plus button. Yeah, here we got the plus button. So we will be having another column here, photo, and here we will be having our type as image. Okay, so this would be our this thing. We can change the name of this table as well here, like family members. Another is the age. We want type here as number. I just want to check if I am recording this session. Yes, we are recording. Then we want blood group, and I want type as text here. We are done with the uh, family member table. We will be filling the data for us uh, if required, but let's follow the steps what they are saying. So another table we want is medical records. Here, if we create a new table with medical records, done. There is where all the reports and prescription go. Add these columns. Okay, name we already have, but here we name like name family member as name, and here reports want it as member name. Okay, we will name it as a member name. This act as a connector. Okay, so another column is record data, and we want it as date. Do we have this date? We have date together. Okay. After that, we doctor doctor slash hospital. We want type as text. Okay. We want to ask which type of report we are uploading, whether it's lab report or X-ray. So we will be using type as text. Then we have notes that also have type as text. Then we have a photo upload. Here we will be uploading a photo, so we can have image. Then comes the file upload. Here we will be using our type as file. Mm, Let's use this as also as image for simplicity. We can have multiple images here. We delete it. Can have multiple files as well. Okay, so we have selected, we have created this part as well. Now we want to relate two tables together. So for that we have these two here. Now we have to calculate medical record belongs to specific family member. Okay. Go to data editor. We are at data editor only. The icon looks like a data spreadsheet. Okay. Click on the family member table. Click on plus button and add a new column. Call it link record. We have to search for the relations. So relations, we can see it here. Relate the item name in family member to a item member name in medical report. Okay, we have done that. Match multiple. Yes, we will match multiple. Turn it on. Why? Because we will have many medical reports. Okay, so we will be clicking it. So currently we have no data, so it is showing question mark. But when we will be entering the data, then it will show us the like link to records. We will see some data here. After that, comes front end. So for that we have a layout. Now we have to click on the layout icon on the left, and here they say configure the home screen. Okay, let's create a home screen. Custom screen we can create, and we can name the screen. We will have the home screen here. On the left side, click family member screen. Okay, it means we also have to create another screen, name a family screen, family member screen. Okay, we have clicked on the family member screen. On the right, change style to connection collections. So we have a collection here. It's left side, but they have right manner. We can get it the same style to collection change. Choose grid. In a collection setting, choose grid or cards. Okay, we can choose cards. Map data, title, and image photo. This is family member. This is home screen. This is family members. Okay, here we have to map the things. Map the title name. This is our name. We want to have a source as family members here, and name will be map to name. Okay, title is image is photo, and description is nothing. Okay, title is map name, and image is map to photos. This step is also done. This is your home screen. Okay. Okay, so we don't need to do this here, but we have to do these same steps here. We have to do it here in home screen. We have to go to the collection. See cards here, and in cards we have to do the cards. This is done, and here we have to choose family member on right side, and here we have to give email photo with photo. This is your home. This is done, and we will enter the data. It will populate it here in the backend. If we can, I can write it here family member, and here let's say I write my name Himanshu, and photo wise I don't write anything. Let's say and age I can write 51. I write LA, something like that. So it will be having my on the layout. You can see the card. I got the card like there. I can even add my photo in backend as well, and can see like you can say this is my photo. I uploaded it here, so it will come in layout here as well. So this is the our home screen that we have. created. Now we have to set up our member details screen. The second screen would be member details screen. So first of all, here we can have a member detail screen. Okay. Here you see, click on any family member. Example, mom in the middle. So at step, they are saying this is a very crucial step on the member details screen. We have to click on collection, and after clicking the collection, we have to select the. We don't have to select the medical reports. Uh, we have to do not select for the medical reports. We have to select this link report button here. Now this list will only show medical record belonging to mom. Okay. So now in order to perform this step, we have to populate some data here. So we will be populating our data here. First is photo, and that is like I can say mom. I can have the photo like this, and Insta can have the photo like this. We can have wife, can have the photo like this. I can have son. I can have the photo like age. I can put Let's have the medical record as well. I can name here himanshunagdev. Can record it. I can say 22 10 2025 hospital. I can say ABC hospital. Type is, say, report 1. Notes, I can say follow up. Photo, can say photo this. And file would say, I don't have any file, so let's keep it like this only. So if I see my layout now, I can see my name here, home screen. So I can now perform this step after putting the data. So if I do my name here, Himanshu, so it's a click on family member. Okay, you will see the default title name. Yes, I am looking at the name. On the left side of the screen components. These are the screen components. Delete anything you don't need. It is like what I am getting is title. I need fields. I don't have any field, so I'm not seeing anything here. So I'm fine with it as well. I don't think I should delete it for now. So after that, it's a click on plus button to add the component and search for the components. Search for the collection. You should select okay component. Click on plus button. Okay. Search for the collections. Let's say table. Okay. So I have, let's say I have the table. I can have the cards as well. I can have the table as well. When I click it, this looks good. This also looks good. Okay. At this place, it is asking me to go here. Click on plus button. Write name. I choose phone number. You can enter the plus create button.